So I got a Honda CRF 100F for Christmas. It's big wheeled. It doesn't have a big board. I just put new handlebars on it. I mean, not new handlebars, new grips, and a few other things. I'm waiting to get some other stuff for it, and let me know in the comments if y'all can find plastics. But here it is right here. This is it. It looks clapped out right now because I have flat tires. I gotta get new tires. I just got a new chain, back sprocket, chain, and front sprocket. I need a new one of these. But my sprocket, see, I'm missing a bolt. It fell out while I was riding, so I gotta get a new one of those. I just got these, this, and this. Well, no, I did not get this. I gotta get a new one of these because the bolts, if you could see them, yeah, they're completely stripped. Those are the handlebars I was gonna put on it. That do not fit. And I want to get new plastics because these are messed up a little bit. I got an aftermarket exhaust, just like a off-brand one. I've got the cover off wherever it's at, right there. I got this thing off because I'm gonna paint it matte black. And this is super clean. It starts up and everything. Nothing's wrong with it except for that, the sprocket bolts, and that, which I could still drive it with that, like that, but I cannot drive it like that. And the tires, yeah, I forgot about those. It sits like probably 5 inches smaller than a 150 because it's big wheel. Let me see. And that's mainly it. So, oh, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting a while. I've just been trying to work on this thing. It's been taking all my time. So, I'm gonna drop the video. I mean, here's the video of it starting up and cranking right here. The video. Hope y'all enjoy. Have a good day.